Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to go live on TikTok using OBS in 2025, even if you have never used streaming softwares before. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for tiktok.com. Once you are on TikTok, simply click on this login option here in the top right hand corner of the screen and log in into your TikTok account. Now, once you are inside your TikTok account, you need to make sure that your account is first of all eligible for streaming with the stream key. As of 2025, TikTok gives this feature to the selected users only, usually those who have at least 1000 followers or through the live studio access. In order to check your eligibility, you need to open a new tab, and here in the search bar, you need to search for TikTok Live Center. Here, click on the login option and it will redirect you on the login page where you need to log in and try to click on the live option and go live option. If you see your RTMP server URL and the stream key, it simply means that you have the streaming access. So you need to copy both of these and you will need them in your OBS studio. Now you need to download and install OBS studio in your device, then launch it and click on the settings here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here you need to make sure that the appearance is by default, and in the audio you need to select the 48 Hz and the channel should be stereo. Now once you click on the start streaming option here, it is ask you to manage the broadcast. So simply click on the manage broadcast option, and over here you need to choose the custom and paste the URL and the stream key from the TikTok. In the main OBS window, you can also create a new scene. So click on the plus icon over here and select your scene. In that scene, you need to add the display capture and the Windows capture as your screen. So here we have the display capture. You can add it, and you can also add Windows capture. Then you need to also add the VLC video source and the image and the overlay or chat widgets if it is needed. Once everything looks good, you can click on the start streaming option in your OBS and the live stream will go live on your TikTok account via TikTok Live Center. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.